Hello all, good morning. This is Dr. S. Subbalakshmi, an Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. This is a lecture video series on the course Matrices and Calculus, and we are on to the topic change of order of integration. Today we are going to see a problem on change of order of integration and how we are going to compute the change of order of integration problems. Firstly, we have this problem. We are just going to change the order of integration here for the problem integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to x dx dy. We could notice that it is of double integral type, and the first inner integral which is corresponding to the x variable and the outer integral is corresponding to the numerical values. So first of all we need to note that whether the given double integrals are in correct form or not. So firstly we have to check that. For that checking, we are just rewriting the given problem as let I is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to x dx dy, which we notice that it is not in the correct form since the inner limit is corresponding to the inner variable of integration, which is dx, which cannot coincide, and the outer will integral with the outer limit, and which cannot be coinciding here, and therefore we will change the limit. We will change the order of integration here. We will change this as dy dx. So this will be the correct form of integration, that is the given value. So firstly we have rewritten the given question as I is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to x dy dx. So what are the given limits here? The given limits are x is equal to, since the outer limit corresponds to x and the inner limit corresponds to y, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to x. So these are our given limits. So what are our given limits? Here it is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. Next, what is our inner variable corresponding to? Inner variable corresponds to y, so therefore it should be a vertical strip while we are drawing in the graph. So it should be a vertical strip. Vertical strip. What do I mean by a vertical strip? It is nothing but the line joining the given area, the region, the line joining the given region. So how we will draw the vertical strip? Since we have the limits as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1, where is x is equal to 0? It is on the y-axis. Where is x is equal to 1? It is parallel to y-axis. Where is y is equal to 0? It is on the x-axis. Where is y is equal to x? It is a line which is diagonal to both the axes. So now we have drawn the axis or the limits given. So the feasible region corresponding to the limits, all these limits are only the shaded region. So this is where we will get the area of integration. So double integral means the area of integration. So that particular area will be calculated using double integral and with the change of order of integration. And with the help of the given integral, we could notice that it is a vertical step. We are just drawing from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. So this is our vertical step. Now what we have to do, we have to change the order of integration. We have to change the order of integration. So therefore we have to change it to a horizontal strip. Therefore we have to change it to a horizontal strip. So now what will be the point of intersection here? What will be the point of intersection here? We will just find the intersection, point of intersection of y is equal to x and x is equal to 1. It is obviously 1, 1. So how we will start from the horizontal strip? So starting with the major axis, which is y is equal to x, it starts from here and ends at here. So what will be the starting point? It is y is equal to x. Therefore what is x? It is y, and ends at this particular line. What is this particular line? It is x is equal to 1. What is y there? It is also 1. So now the limits will change. With the given problem, we will write the limits and draw the diagram. After changing it to the horizontal strip, we will write the limits. Now what are the limits? The horizontal strips The horizontal strip starts at x is equal to y and ends at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. So, this is our limits corresponding to it after changing the order of integration. So, this is how we will perform or we will uh, change the order of integration for the given problem. So, after changing the order of integration, the value of the integral becomes, the integral itself becomes I is equal to integral 0 to 1, integral 1 to y to 1 dx dy. So, what will be the point of intersection? It is 1 comma 1. So, this is how we change the order of integration for the given problem. We will continue with the computation steps in the next video. Thank you.